welcome back to my channel. On this very video today, I'm gonna be making a review of this hair fryer, and we're gonna be doing that together. So today I will be using it for fish, and here says for fish it has to be 200 degree 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it for 20 minutes because I like my fish well cooked, or my meat well cooked. So I will putting it in 20 minutes for 200 degree. And here is my already seasoned egg fish air fryer that I will be using, and just bring this out, and I'm going to add the aluminium folio paper. This will enable the juice not to stain the pan, and because it's electronic, it's not advisable to be washed all the time or with water always. So this will just help me each time I finish making it, just clean the top here and inside it. So, and also it will help me preserve the juice without making the juice dry, especially when I need the stock from it. So now I'll just add this in here. So meanwhile, I have to preheat this for a few minutes. Have to preheat this for a few minutes, so I'll just be preheating for like 8 for leaving it for 200 degree 5 minutes for 200 degree. So once that is ready, here it shows the green light that it's working. Yeah, the green light says it's working, and the red light or the yellow light shows it's in power. So I will just wait for that to heat up a little bit, and then I'll be adding my fish in. So I didn't add any oil to this fish because the main purpose I got this air fryer is to avoid me eating oil as much as I can. Okay, so the power is turned off now, so I'll bring this out and I'll just add my fish in here. So I'm just gonna be placing this right back in 200 degree for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes for 200 degree. Yeah, 200 degree is the highest. So we just leave it cooking, and then once it's ready, we're gonna get an alarm, and then we'll come back to show you what it's out, and then flip it over. I also went on net and did some research about this hair fryer before this review day. Hair frying does destroy nutrients in the cooking process. So this is not something you should be worried about, because all foods can lose key nutrients during the cooking process. However, if you compare with the other methods of cook, hair fried food loses less nutrients. Okay, normally meats and veggies lose 40 to 50% of their nutrients when cooking it. So when using a hair fryer, you're gonna be losing like 30 to 20% of nutrients from the food. So using a hair fryer is very, very healthy. Yes, it is very, very healthy. So one question again, does hair fryer causes cancer? The method you use in cooking your food causes cancer. Yes, it does. But it depends on the kind of food you are processing with your hair fryer. Your hair fryer is not made for all food processors. So, when processing your food with the hair fryer, don't mind and make sure you cross check and study more about what you process in your hair fryer. As you can see, immediately after I finished hair frying this fish, I just went immediately and washed to see if it is a really non-stick according to what the manual says. And as you can see, action is spoken than words. Action speaks louder than words, sorry. So I just washed it and I'm using my kitchen towel to clean it, and it's totally clean, totally clean. So it's a non-stick, and if you want to go for this, I say go for it. So I'll also just be cleaning around the body of the pan, of the main pan. Yeah, so as you can see, clean, no dirt, but I still have to wipe it off. The hair fryer has cooked my fish. Yeah. So I think I should just open another one. Cooked my fish so well. Take a look at that. I mean, this hair fryer. Please ignore the kid's voice on the background. I just want you to hear the crunchiness of the fish. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, I would like you to give the video a thumbs up, and if you consider buying this hair fryer, I ask you to go ahead. Yes, it's really nice. It does its job perfectly. No oil, less fat, and the cleaning, it's so easy, non-stick. Yeah, this video is not a sponsored video. I just have to do this for you so that I can help you to get a healthy living. So without wasting much of your time, until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. If you watched to this moment and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Bye.